All right, so let's quickly talk about how we can install Python on our MacBook. So this is very user-friendly step to download Python onto your computer or onto your MacBook. Now, if you are using Mac, simply open Safari browser on your computer and just go to google.com. Now, from google.com, just search for Python. When you reach to Python, click on welcome to python.org. Click on that. After clicking on this, hover the mouse on download button and click on Python 3.12.5. I mean the current version as at now. So just click on that and this will download in no time for you. You could probably see the download process is ongoing from this side. Just wait, and when it's done, double click on it to launch the installation path. Now, since we're done with this, we're probably going to minimize the whole thing. Now we have this set up here. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. You just have to agree to the installation policy terms. So just click on agree and click on install. This will require your MacBook's password, the one you used to log in, right? So just enter your password and then click on install. Hold on, this is going to take some couple of time, couple of minutes or, even seconds to install this. Just give it a time for it to complete the whole process. Now, during the installation process, you would see a finder opened, or let's say a folder opened containing all the Python files. And when you see that, it actually means that your Python has successfully been installed. And now you could probably see that this has popped up, right? And this is where the Python has been installed to, and I'm probably good to go. And as of now, I'm using I have MacBook Pro. This is 15-inch 2018, and the processor you see here, you see the graphics, you see the memory and all that. Now, since the installation is done, let's go ahead to the installation and click on close. It's asking us if we want to save this or we want to move it to the trash. Let's just move it to the trash. Now, after everything, we probably have to test and see if Python has indeed installed onto our computer. So with that, you see this idle, just double click on this idle. And this is what you will see on your book. Now to test it, let's just say x equals 100, y equals 345. Now let's print x multiplied by y. X multiplied by y. In this case, hit enter, and now you see the return value. So meaning we have successfully installed Python on our MacBook. Right, if you have any question or you find yourself difficult in installing Python on your MacBook, let me know in the questions and answers section so I can help you out. Until then, let's meet on our next video. Thank you.